Got in this 4K dash cam from Peztio. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Let's go ahead and get this open so you can see everything that comes in the box. So when you open it up, right on top is your camera. Small, compact. We'll take off the strip. We have a very nice screen here. And we have the camera, which is movable. We'll take off that protector there as well. And then we have our sticky here. So now let's go ahead and open up the rest of the box. So we have our charging cable. It's a 12 volt where you can plug in any USB cable. We have the memory card remover. Comes with a memory card, some extra stickies, and so I'll read up on this and see how we mount it, and let's get some footage and see what it looks like. I got in this nice 4K Wi-Fi dash cam from Peztio. It's small, compact in size. We have all of our buttons here. You attach it to your window like this up here, so that way your power cord can plug in and you have access to all the buttons and you can see the display. It comes with a memory card and your power cord. And it comes with the little tool to be able to pop the memory card back out. So let's go ahead and get this all set up. So the camera uses a USB-C cable that's extremely long, so you can wrap it around your mirror or run it all the way around your window. What I usually would recommend to do is kind of hold it up to where you think you want to put it, clean the glass, that way you can make sure you can get to the power button as well as the other buttons that needed. You can either put it down lower. I'm going to put it up higher so I can angle it, and so we'll get this all hooked up. So it comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card that you put in right here, and this is our power. So I'm going to go ahead, and you need to make sure your buttons are pointed down, and so I'm going to go ahead and peel off the sticky now. For right now, I've wrapped the power cord around my mirror. So I've cleaned my window, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in the power cable to make it kind of easier to get to it. And then I'm going to stick my dash cam right here and hold it in place for a few seconds. Now that the dash cam is set, I actually have it to where it's hidden by my mirror, so I'm not tempted to watch anything on it. I have all my buttons. I'll go ahead and get the car powered up, and we'll go ahead and take it out for a drive to get some images on it. So to connect it to Wi-Fi, you press the button twice down here. It comes up with our information, and we'll get that logged in. So once it comes to this point, then you're going to go ahead and put in the password. Once you have the app installed and you connect to the Wi-Fi, we can go ahead and connect to the device. And you can see the image is the same here, and we can control a lot of the settings from right here on our phone. So I'm going to go ahead and format the card, and let's go out for a drive. So it's pretty easy to download the apps to your phone. Now that I've been using it and driving around, night vision worked well as daytime, so I like this cam a lot.